Hi guys, welcome to VasQ Videopress. Video is a buzzing trend now, and it's very lucrative. 86% of the internet audience is watching online videos. That's 183 million people. Video promotion is over 6 times more effective. Videos have 41% higher click-through rates than plain text. Your website is 50 times more likely to appear on the first page of a search engine result page if it includes video. YouTube, a video hosting site, is the second most popular search engine in the world. See, people love watching videos online. But tapping into this buzzing trend is not easy. There are problems. I don't have a single video. I can't act in front of a camera. I can't produce videos. I don't have programming skills to build stunning video sites. I don't like to make videos. Making videos is boring. It takes too much time to produce videos. Well, forget all those problems, because we have designed a solution that allows you to build your own profitable video site in any niche you want without ever creating a single video. It solves all these problems, and it's completely newbie-friendly. Introducing VasQ Videopress. This product features everything you need to build a stunning and profitable video site. Fully optimized for video site, fast loading, fully SEO optimized, semantic HTML structure for best SEO practice, breadcrumbs ready for better internal linking structure, generate an income stream, easy to monetize, Amazon Associate Program, AdSense, custom banner to sell affiliate products or your own products, etc. We provide banner areas with strategic positions to allow you to easily monetize your video blogging sites. Lower bounce rate. Google and other search engines will absolutely love your video site. Related videos. Collect leads. Free social traffic. Engage with your visitors. Related post. Rating, like and dislike. Multiple comment channels. Default WordPress comments. Facebook comments and discuss comments. Your amazing video site, fully responsive with mobile-friendly navigation, retina icons, 4 custom layouts, boxed, fully width, framed and rounded, beautiful pre-made colored schema, custom video player skins, not like normal YouTube videos, logo branding on the video player. Build a stunning video website in any niche you want easily, quickly, and hassle-free. VasQ Videopress is designed with video sites in mind with no complicated settings. Everything is all set and optimized for video sites. It's so powerful and it's loaded with a bunch of amazing features that would cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars elsewhere. Custom player skins plus playlist for related videos, social share buttons, Facebook comment, discuss comments, like and dislike and view stats, Lightbox pop-up, Ajax content forum, static fixed menu feature, ads code placeholder for ad management, other features for fully optimized video site. The total value of at least $970. To make it even better, we bundle VasQ Videopress with the VasQ Ads extension. VasQ ads allow you to add your own banner ad right inside your video, just like YouTube does. Not only banner image, but you can add text, countdown timer, and opt-in forums on the video ads. It also features fully customizable settings, such as ad duration, delay to show, ads size option, countdown color option, ads background button text color, button background color, and ads position, margin, and padding of left, right, top, and bottom. It does everything. VasQ Ads uses the native WordPress environment, so you'll be familiar with it. And you'll be able to immediately see the preview of the ads inside your WP admin dashboard. It's completely up to you to add any image banner you want. Your own product banner, affiliate products from JVZoo, Amazon, ClickBank, Commission Junction, and much more, as well as a custom image banner. Sell product? Whether it's your own product or affiliate product, you can add scarcity with the countdown timer feature. Scarcity will absolutely boost your conversions and sales. Want to build a list? Well, you can do that too. You can add an opt-in form right inside the video. Last but not least, ads statistic. You can view the performance of the ads. You can view your ad statistics inside your WP admin dashboard, such as ad views, unique views, the amount of clicks. Check out the product in action. Imagine you can add your own ads inside the video. Imagine how powerful this is. With all of the amazing features of VasQ ads, it's easily worth at least $297. But your deal today is not even close to $197, not even close to $97. During this launch special, you can own VasQ ads plug-in bundled with VasQ Videopress theme for the best price possible. You'll also be backed by our rock-solid guarantee. Try VasQ risk-free for the next 30 days. You saw how great this product is and how easy it is to build a profitable video site, even if you're a total newbie and don't have any single video. You can do it, and anyone could easily do it. We have also included a tutorial for you, text, image screenshot, as well as a video tutorial. You can get it done in the fastest time possible and optimize it for the best results. I guarantee that you will absolutely love it, and you will want to start using VasQ Videopress to build your own video site and cash in with it from now on. I'm 100% confident that you will love building your own profitable video site with VasQ Videopress. But if you don't, I'm offering you the chance to try VasQ for the next 30 days risk-free. No questions asked, full money-back guarantee. 100% satisfaction guarantee with VasQ Videopress. Try it risk-free, and you have absolutely nothing to lose. Click the button below this video to grab your copy and build your own profitable video empire site right now.